Please introduce yourself.
Okay, good day. This is Geraldine Villastas Riego, 47 years old, mother of 3 kids. My eldest is 26 years old, then the second one is 19 years old, and my youngest is 16 years old. I'm working in Hong Kong last 2000 to 2002. I taking care of a newborn and a 2-year-old. I'm a finished contract. Then the second employer is 2002 to 2004. I'm taking care a 3-year-old kid. Then the last employer in Hong Kong is last 2013 to 2016. I taking care a newborn too. Then this is I'm a break contract because my employer is going to China. That's why I break my contract. Then after that, I go back to the Philippines. Year 2017 to 2023, I'm working in the home care as a assistant nurse. I'm taking care of a 60-year-old up. Then my duty there is giving a medicine and taking care of the old age. That's it. Good day.